Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a Beebeecraft haul, and I just want you guys to see what I picked out. And okay, here we are. So I did open this already and attempted to use these. So what I did get is a bunch of dies and then these candy beads. I want to show you them. I thought they were really cute for like birthday mail. But look at these. Love them. So they have a large opening there. And yeah, they're just like plastic resin candies. I love them. So let's get into the dies now. Okay, so I do not have a lot of dies, so I immediately went for the dies. Let's see what they had. So I picked out this one that I haven't tried yet. So it's a heart, especially for Valentine's is coming up pretty soon. This one I did try, and I do have to use a shim for this, but it is a very pretty die. Love this snowflake. I've already used it. This one works very well as well. Okay, this doily, it has trouble cutting in some areas, especially in the middle. I do have to use a shim, and next I was going to use a shim in the middle as well as on the outside, like die cut a circle and then die cut a smaller circle for the inside, and then use them as shims. So I'm trying to get the glare out. So let's put that right there. Next one, okay, so this one I did try, and it didn't do so great. So I thought it was a doily. So if you look at it like this, it looks like a doily. And this is how it came. It eventually, the middle did come off. So you see right there, it came off. And so this is what it cuts. It cuts this out right here. And I was hoping that, you know, this pattern would stay in there, but it doesn't. Maybe it's kind of like an extra where you could glue it on. But that, you know, if you like this type of look, then go for it. It has hearts in the middle. And here you could take out the middle. So this one kind of came off. So you could take out the middle and just have the loops, and in the middle could be just solid. So that's what that one looks like. Okay, let's get into the next one. Okay, so the next ones I'm pretty happy with. I have not tried these, but I picked this up for spring. You can also use the fence for Christmas as well. So I thought that was nice. Oh, I love these, you guys. These cut really nice. And the tree is beautiful. I love this tree. Let me see if I can find, I did cut it out, so I'll see if I can find a die for that. And then I haven't tried this heart, but I was hoping that this heart would look nice for Valentine's. And these are so cute, you guys. I love these. I'm going to show you what they look like as well, because I did cut some of those out. I love them so much. Beebeecraft, you guys. This butterfly as well, have not tried. Hopefully it works out. And then these leaves for fall, I have not tried, but definitely will be using them next year. And also you can use them for spring as well. So pick those up as well. Okay, these are what the snowflakes look like. Isn't it pretty? I love this snowflake. I love the size as well. It's almost as big as my palm. Look at that. So pink and gold, and it cuts very nice, you guys. I did use a shim. Really pretty snowflakes. I love them. Oh, and the trees, you guys. Look at these trees. Aren't they pretty? I love how they cut. I love the dimension in the middle. Just love these. I did play around with these a lot, and they will be in projects soon. Here's the deer. Very pretty. I used the shim as well, so they cut really nice. Now let me show you that baby deer. I already have a project going for this and it's going out in Happy Mail, but look at this deer, you guys. So tiny, so cute. It's just a lot of die cuts that I cut out, put together, and tied a string around it. I did scrap lift that from Miss Avelli, and I will link her below. But so pretty and delicate. I love it so much. So that is my Beebeecraft haul for today. Hopefully you guys liked it. And stay tuned for more projects. And you guys remember to be happy. Bye!